Alright guys, I've got 5 apps that you can download literally right now that you can start making money straight from your phone. These apps I have personally researched and used, so they've got the Rhett Taylor stamp of approval on them. They are 100% legit, safe, and easy to use, where you literally just make money from your phone doing odd jobs and doing little tasks on your phone or around your city. Alright guys, so sit back, relax, pull out your phone, and let's get into this. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me reach more people out there and be able to spread the word and the different strategies and techniques for other people to change their life, get out of their 9-to-5, add some more money to their life so they can treat themselves, treat their family, and help the world. So we're going to count down from 5 all the way to 1. Rocking with number 5, we've got Field Agent. As you can see right here, Field Agent, simply put, is a company that connects businesses that have jobs and that need things done with the local people willing to work and willing to make some extra money on the side. Basically what these guys do is they deploy everyday people like you and me to go out and do simple tasks around their town or just straight from their phone that gets them paid. So you're asking, what are these random tasks? You basically can do anything from going to the grocery store and taking a picture of a can of soup, going to a washing machine laundromat, taking a picture of the laundry machine. So what exactly are you doing with Field Agent? You basically go find a job on the app and you go out. So, son of a bitch, dude. So what exactly do you do with Field Agent? Field Agent basically deploys people that are looking for work that have a smartphone and connects them with companies that need small tasks done. And you're asking, okay, what are these small tasks? Well, as you can see right here, it ranges. You see mobile audits, and you're like, oh God, I'm not about to audit anybody. That's just a fancy word for saying you're going to go into a store, and they're going to say, okay, we need you to answer a couple questions and take a couple pictures. Go in, take a picture of this can of soup. Go in and photograph these laundry machines to make sure they're still working. They're basically using you as boots on the ground in their business. And there are so many tasks that range on this app, and it is such an easy way to find one, click it, go snap those pictures, make $20. And sooner than later, you're making $100 a week or even more, $100 a day, and all you're doing is going and taking pictures at a grocery store you're already going to. This is a fantastic one, obviously if you're in a bigger city, because you're going to have more jobs in the bigger city. But even if you're in a smaller city, there's almost always jobs that you can just sign up for, go do, and get paid. All right, so number 4, the next one down is FOAP, or FOAP, however you freaking say that. So this one's great for all you guys who just already love taking pictures, already take pictures anyways, and always snapping selfies, taking pictures of the guys, taking pictures of the girls, taking a picture of your cute dog. This one's perfect for you guys, where you basically take those pictures of certain companies' products and you get paid. When they choose your photo, you get paid 50% of that sales price right off the bat. All you have to do is take a picture and get paid. Simple as that. It's a super easy way where it takes 30 seconds to take a picture and you're getting paid 50% of whatever that company buys. And you're probably asking, Rhett, why are these guys paying me for this? Well, these bigger companies don't want to spend all this money on expensive videographers and high-priced photographers. So they're using crowdsourcing to help them accomplish those goals. So when you take those pictures and upload them on the site, they see it, they love it, they buy it, you get paid. And it's a super easy way to take a picture and add some extra income into your life. All right, number 3, we got Google Opinion Rewards. And of course, these are all super trustworthy, but anything put out by Google, you can't help but trust. Basically what this is a survey app. All these companies are always trying to improve and trying to get the ideas and the opinions of their customers to improve their software and their websites and their products. And so they are now paying you to go in, spend literally 10 seconds. They're like 5-question quizzes. Spend 10 seconds blasting through this and you get paid directly into your PayPal account. This is a great one where you're just sitting around waiting for grandma, waiting for your kids to get out of school. When you're just bored at home, you can just go in, take a quick survey, get paid directly to your PayPal account. And it's as simple as that, guys. And it's freaking awesome. So next, number 2 is Dosh. And Dosh recently has raised $44 million to fund their business and their growth because it is already so popular and so successful. So you're asking, what is Dosh? Dosh is basically rewarding you for already shopping at the places you shop at, rewarding you for eating at your favorite restaurants. And you're like, okay, that's great. That'll make me some money, but how is this really going to make me a good amount of money where it's worth it to me? It's going to already be worth it because you're already going there and you're getting paid. But Dosh has an affiliate program. In this affiliate program, anytime you sign someone up, you get a $1, hold your shorts, a $1 sign-up fee and a $5 referral fee. And so just think about this. You've got Facebook friends. I don't know if you have a YouTube channel. I'm sure you have an Instagram. You throw that up there. You say, oh, look at this. This is great. And you get 100 people to sign up. That's $600. That's pretty solid to me. And that's just, you can just repeat that, rinse and repeat. And that's at the same time as you going to your favorite restaurant or your favorite store and shopping and getting paid. So basically you want to use the affiliate program to leverage your friends and your family into making more and more money every week for yourself and your family. And the number 1 best app that I have found out there for you guys to make money from your cell phone every week and every day is an app called TaskRabbit. And basically TaskRabbit is very similar to Fiverr and Upwork, where those two places are hubs for freelancers. Freelancers are basically guys that have a skill and are offering that skill for people that need it. And this is exactly that. And it's another hub for freelancers, but for your local market. And it doesn't even have to be, I'm going to do a logo for you, or I'm going to help you with your email marketing. It can be like, oh, I need help moving. We can hop right on here and look on their website about how much these guys are really getting paid. If you look down here at the bottom, this dude, helped moving, featured taskers, helped moving, $70.58 an hour to help move. This lady making $58 for home repairs. This lady, $29.41 an hour for delivery. Guys, this is the best one by far in this list of 5 apps that you can make money from your home. You get on there, you look at all the different jobs that are just right around town, whether you enjoy cleaning, whether you already enjoy home repair, carpentry. As you can see, you can get paid huge amounts for small little jobs around your town. So here, you can assemble a desk or a table, mount a TV, help move boxes, clean a bathroom, fix a running toilet, and shoot, there are so many different jobs, you would be so surprised. And what's great is I know you can find a job on there that you already enjoy. Say you really enjoy cleaning, or you enjoy organizing, or if you're a freaking beefcake and you enjoy moving. This is perfect for you. You can go in there, sign up, get your account going, and just go, oh man, I can move today and I can make $150 moving boxes for people. It is a fantastic way that you can get paid upwards of $50 an hour or $150 per job for just doing everyday tasks that you might already be doing. So guys, this is a banging list of the top 5 apps that you can use to make money from your phone. And guys, please don't be the 99% that just watches this video or watches any of my videos and doesn't take action. You have to take action. You have to step up And you just have to get that ball rolling. You have to take it one day at a time. Take one action step today. Take one action step tomorrow. Don't let there be a day that you're not doing anything. Always be moving forward. Always be getting better. Always grow. And that will lead to the life of your dreams and the ability to provide for yourself more, provide for your family, and change the lives of others. So if you are an action taker, if you are going to say yes today and take action on these 5 apps, one of the 5 apps, do something with these apps and start making money today, leave action in the comments. I would love to see a waterfall of action and just watch you guys start changing your life for the better and becoming a better person, a better you, and all around making the world a better place. So guys, until next time, go crush it.